read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? Today's letter is lowercase letter A. Today we will learn its formation, vocabulary words and mime. So let's start. Start from the second line. Make semicircle, go up, come straight down. Make a loop. It will make small A. The letter name is A. The sound of A is A. A, A, A. A, A, apple. A, A, apple. The ant eats a red apple. The ant eats a red apple. Now tell me, what does the ant do? Eats red apple. Very good. Now, how many ants are there in this page? One ant. It's a good answer. Now, it's time to mime. Look over here. Look at the picture. Open your mouth. Mime, biting an apple. Mime, biting an apple. Very good. Now, I hope so you could write easily small letter A, its formation, and the sound of A is A, apple. Very good. Allah Hafiz.